We are at Warner Brother Studio Tour Hollywood. Haven't been here in a long time, but we're here for Batman Day. It's going to be a whole event dedicated to Batman here on the Warner Brother Studio Tour Hollywood. Just got our credentials. Batman Day. Oh my God, this is like a dream come true. 85 years of Batman. Can you believe that? Long live the Bat.
Today, we're very excited to share our story with you and give you a little peek behind the lens of what it is we do here, one of the busiest working studio lots in Hollywood. Now, you're of course all here for Batman Day and for the Batman '89 film.
All right. Welcome to Warner Brothers, everyone. Happy Batman Day. We're going to be your tour guides today.
Happy Batman Day.
Batman Day.
My name is Quan. I'm going to be your tour guide today. He's the jungle set as well. Big Bang Theory, against more Batman fans, they shot things out about the Wayne Manor diamonds at that giveaway, that whatever it was, I forget exactly. Show where Drew Carey actually wins the Batmobile from Batman Forever, and then he drives down the street with Mimi and his co-pilot, and actually says at the time driving with it, "I've captured the Joker."
Just got off the tour. Wow. It's just cool to be on another like back lot, you know?
That was filmed inside of the soundstage, stage 25, I believe, or stage 20.
Adam and Shazam, as well as the original Blade trilogy. So obviously this is where Annabelle lives. And she stays right out here to say hi to tours. Some people again might find her a bit intimidating, you know, at the same time and all that sort of stuff.
Whatever movie is playing instead of here, this is where we have most of our...
The director of Batman, a guy named Tim Burton.
This is so cool. Wow.
Oh, I had that too. Oh, but the phone was terrible.
Wow. It's just crazy to see these things in person.
Are they like based after?
Yeah, they all function like real cars.
Wow. We're about to watch a screening of Batman with Jack Nicholson on Batman's birthday.
Let's see a quick clip from Michael, and then we'll have a couple more words before we start the film. Yeah.
Hi everybody, this is Michael Uslan. I'm the originator and executive producer of the Batman movie franchise. And I'm also total fanboy, eternal comic book geek. If you don't believe me, I mean, if the hat doesn't say it, maybe the t-shirt will. Well, that's me. And I'm so happy that you're here with us to celebrate the 35th anniversary of our revolutionary Batman movie. This movie changed Hollywood forever. It changed the comic book industry. And it changed the world culture's perception of superheroes and supervillains in comic books. It's more than a story about a great box office success. It's about a story that impacted the world culture in many ways, because this movie not only transcended borders, it transcended cultures. And it was an amazing journey for me. It took 10 years to get that first Batman movie made. 10 very long years. And I have to give all the credit to the genius known as Tim Burton. It was Tim Burton who came up with what I always call the big idea. What was the big idea? It was when he came in and said, if we're going to do the first ever serious comic book superhero movie, and we don't want to get unintentional laughs from the audience, this movie cannot be about Batman. And that's, I think, when I started to melt through the pavement. He said, this movie must be about Bruce Wayne. And that made all the difference in the world. Stan Lee, years later, said to me one day over lunch, he said, you know, Michael, it's really your 1989 Batman movie. It's Tim Burton's vision that opened the door to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. I said, what do you mean, Stan? He goes, well, think about it. He said, our Iron Man movies should really be called Tony Stark, and our Spider-Man movies should really be called Peter Parker. That was the big idea. And there was a corollary to it. Tim knew that there had to be a unique type of world building so that Gotham City could be the third most important character in this movie from the opening frames. Because if audiences did not believe in Gotham City from the outset, they would never be able to suspend their disbelief and believe a guy could get dressed up like a bat and go out and fight a guy who looked like the Joker. If there were additional geniuses involved in this film, the next name up is my dear friend Anton Furst, the production designer. It was, as Anton told me, his reaction to getting the script from Sam Hamm that had like one line describing Gotham City as if hell has erupted from under the earth, that sent him rushing to Tim and saying, what does this mean? And Anton told me, Tim said that, I think it means New York City had there never been planning and zoning. Well, Anton said, I get that. He went out, studied conflicting styles of architecture, and came back with the plans for all of Gotham City, the Batmobile, and the whole look of the picture. And what about the genius of Danny Elfman with this score? This score and its magical notes have impacted every composer of genre movies ever since. And it's also my contention that Tim Burton's vision and Anton's design work have also influenced every single genre movie, including those that will be opening up next weekend. What an impact, what a legacy. And now I would like to say, welcome to Gotham City. Enjoy the 1989 Michael Keaton, Jack Nicholson, Tim Burton, Batman. My dream come true.
First time watching Michael Keaton Batman, what'd you think?
Yeah, it was really good, and it really brought you back to that time period in the 90s, 80s, 90s. And getting to see that in the theater, I don't know when I would ever get to see that.
With really cool sound system too.
Yeah, it looked great, sounded great, loved it.
Jack Nicholson's crazy.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
They
That's
got-
a very different Batman than what what I'm used to, which
Yeah.
was the Dark Knight.
Yeah.
It's a very different Batman. This one had more compassion, more, I don't know,
And I like how at the very beginning that person was like, Gotham is a character. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know, that's true. That's really true. And he's like, we're not going to make a Batman movie. It's going to be about Bruce Wayne.
Bruce Wayne, yeah. This has been a crazy experience. Everything started off at 5, and I think this is going to go all the way to 11 o'clock at night.
Get your bat signal photos.
We were actually able to do a photo op. Look at that. Oh man, whoa. We got comic books right here. 1993, 1968. We got the Riddler costume, Oz costume. This is so freaking cool. Wow. Wow. Batman Begins. Batmobile. Holy smokes. Wow. This is so cool. Dude, what? Oh my God, look at the size of these tires. Wow. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This is so freaking cool. Wow. They even got the newest one. It's not Batman related, but Wonder Woman 2017 is so cool. Golden armor. This is just crazy. We're literally in a Batcave. I've never felt like Batman more than today. They got lots of cool photo ops. This one's Superman. Got a bunch of capes. Wow. Man of Steel 2013. Batman vs. Superman Dawn of Justice 2016. Once you go beyond the bat suits, they got face masks, more Batmobiles, a legitimate Batcave. Like, what the heck? This is so crazy. Aquaman suit. What? You can even like hold it, take a cool photo right here.
Sorry, I keep calling you.
Got a dinosaur.
Turn it on.
There you go.
That is so cool. This is crazy. This is sick. Batmobile from 2022 Batman. Seeing this in person, just holy smokes. Look at the engine. What? Wow. And that bat signal. I didn't know it was actual real bat signal. Batman 2022. The motorcycle for Selena Kyle. They even got the Batman motorcycle. What? Dude, I'm like a little kid seeing movie stuff come to life in person. This is just crazy. This is so cool. My Batman heart is so happy right now. Unbelievable to see this in person. 1989 Batman. Freaking cool. Wow. So freaking cool, man. Just seeing this in person, unbelievably cool. Wow. What in the world? Harry Potter? There's a sorting hat? We gotta do it.
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see.
Yes. You're clear yet?
Gryffindor!
This is just so cool. A sorting hat. They got those like screaming trees. I also got more photo ops that are Harry Potter. The cover. Look at this. What? Wow. Dude. This is such a cool photo op. Crazy. We got Dobby. They got this cool photo op. Harry Potter's room. This is where Harry Potter lived. Wow, this is just cool. What is this? All these potions. Is that a spider? What the heck? We got some wands from a lot of the main characters. Voldemort, Harry Potter, Superwoman, Jor-El, Superman costume. We even got Game of Thrones outfits too. Holy smokes. Hey, they said there was a gift shop.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is what you're running into. We got Gremlin merch. What do you see? Gremlin merch. So cool. This is terrifying. What? I'm not gonna lie, they're making these merch look cool. All this trick-or-treat stuff. What? This is so cool. Just freaking cool. That's a denim jacket too. Got Gotham cocktails. I've never seen so much Batman merch. I want it all. Even got Batman Spirit jerseys. That's awesome. I got pins too. That is so cool. 85 years of Batman. And that is all, folks. So what'd you think of Batman Day?
This was so cool. I loved it. Like, if you're gonna do a Warner Brothers studio tour, first of all, definitely do it. Like, not only the Batman nostalgia, but like we got to see that other area that showed
Harry
so
Potter.
many other
Oh, at
movies.
the lot, yeah.
Oh yeah, the lot, but also like this place that showed a bunch of other, the Harry Potter spot, the Game of Thrones stuff. It was just so cool, so cool.
That was really cool. My nostalgia heart, just the happiest it's ever been, seeing all this Batman stuff. I feel like we're not surrounded by Batman ever. And just to be completely surrounded by Batman, we were in the Batcave, legitimately. We watched the Michael Keaton Batman. We drove through the Warner Brother studio lot too, which was awesome. It's always cool to see like the behind the scenes essentially. But you could do this tour on your own. It won't be a Batman Day. This is just a specific to today, but all that stuff that we walked through, Harry Potter, Batman Cave and all that, their studio tour also takes you into that. It's kind of like the gift shop too. It flows into that, but this whole experience at Warner Brother studio tour lot was just incredible here in Hollywood. Thank you for inviting us so much, Warner Brothers. This was amazing. 5 Fire Day, we're firing it down.